Today's quick tip, we're going to talk about the battery charger that comes with your Velocity vehicle. Now we're up under the hood of one of our Broncos because that's what we sell the most of, but all of our vehicles are going to have basically the same system. What you're going to want to do is whenever you remove everything out of the box, you're going to have several different sets of wires. This is going to be a set of alligator clips. You can use these, but it's not necessary because we have a pigtail already installed. This is going to be the charger. This is going to be the end that you're going to want to plug into the pigtail. The location of that pigtail that you're looking for is going to be directly underneath the battery, which is right behind this headlight. It's going to be down at the bottom, and you're going to see it tucked up inside the frame rail. After you've connected the pigtail, simply take the charger, press the button once on the front, and that's going to turn it on. And there's nothing else for you to do. It's a smart charger, so it's going to keep the battery maintained for you so that the truck is ready to drive whenever you are. When it comes time to disconnect it, all you have to do is simply press the back on this red tab and then pull it out and disconnect. And it's that simple. Do not forget to disconnect it before you take it on a drive. And that's it. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3.